If you like our North Sea Echoes videos, please give us a like and subscribe for more North Sea Echoes videos.
Beyond the hills where shadows sleep, there lies a forest wild and deep, wrapped in silver rain and moss, untouched by time and human loss. Lantern light through branches glows, a long forgotten woodland rose, and somewhere through the drifting haze old spirits wander endless ways. Rivers sing through stone and root beneath the ancient cedar roofs, while hidden in the emerald night the stars descend in silent light. Hear the distant wolves arise beneath the dark enchanted skies, their voices carried by the breeze across the endless trees. Ancient spirits drift with ease, moss and stone beneath the rain. Time dissolves and fades away. Softly now the forest sighs under silver moonlit skies. Hear the distant rivers call as the night begins to fall. Under emerald skies we wandered through the silence of the pines. Old spirits danced beside us, hidden deep beyond all time. Keep the last druid fire burning through the endless northern night. Though the world has long forgotten, still the old songs survive. Beyond the hills where shadows sleep, there lies a forest wild and deep, wrapped in silver rain and moss, untouched by time and human loss. Lantern light through branches glows, a long forgotten woodland rose, and somewhere through the drifting haze, old spirits wander endless ways. Hear the distant wolves arise beneath the dark enchanted skies. Their voices carried by the breeze across the endless forest seas. Leaves are dancing in the storm like ghosts of ages long before, and every hollow, every stream feels suspended in a dream. Still beneath the moonlit air, the ancient heart is beating there. Through the ferns and weathered stone, the woodland calls the lost back home, to hidden fires burning low, where silent golden rivers flow. So walk beside the midnight trees and follow where the ravens lead, beyond the mist, beyond the rain, where old worlds breathe and dream again. Deep within the forest soul, the songs of earth forever flow. Waves upon the northern shore whisper tales of years before. Snow and salt beneath the moon, winter sings its quiet tune. Sleep now under fading skies, hear the ancient ocean rise, drift beyond the cold sea foam. The northern tides will guide you home. Whispers beneath the midnight sky carry dreams that never die. Salt and mist upon the shore, calling spirits evermore. Through the storm the echoes rise, hidden deep in northern tides. Lanterns fade into the rain, yet the sea remains the same. where silent oceans carry on. The northern winds still speak their names of ancient kings and weathered graves. Across the cliffs the ravens fly, like shadows drifting through the sky. And far beyond the storm and rain, the old world whispers once again. Through icy tides and drifting snow, to lands the living scarcely know, where firelight danced on ancient stone, and no soul ever walked alone. Yet somewhere through the endless white, old fires continue burning bright. And in the silence of the pines, forgotten voices still survive, singing softly to the sea of what was and what will never be. Long before the winter crowns fell upon these northern grounds, there stood a kingdom by the sea, lost to time and memory. Golden fires fill the night beneath the endless northern light. Songs were carried by the wind to places few have ever been, but storms arose from distant shores like thunder at the ancient doors, and waves consumed the halls of stone, leaving silence cold as bone. Keeps their names hidden deep beneath the waves. Every tide and every storm carries echoes evermore. Wanderers upon the sand still can hear that vanished land. In the howling winter breeze and the dark eternal sea, through the fog the spirits rise, under pale forgotten skies, singing songs of grief and flame, so the world recalls their names. Far beyond the northern rain, old gods whisper once again, through the forest deep and wild, to every lost and restless child. Follow now the raven's cry, through the mountains bleak and high, past the valleys filled with snow, to where ancient rivers flow. There the fires still remain, hidden from the world of men, burning softly through the night like fading stars beyond our Though the years may fade away and kingdoms crumble into gray, the sea remembers every soul, every story ever told. So when the northern storms arrive and winter keeps the earth alive, listen closely to the waves, for the old world still remains. Oh beneath the endless northern skies, no ancient spirit truly